they will replace an entire meal with a protein shake. That's not appropriate. Protein shakes are an additional add-on to consuming protein throughout the day. You need to be eating complex carbohydrates and protein throughout the day. But too often I have a patient that will come and they just drink black coffee in the morning or a green tea with honey. They don't eat anything until noon is when they do their shake, and it's full of one banana, strawberries, oat milk. They'll do a little scoop of whey and collagen because they heard collagen is good for you. But I'm like, okay, wait. How many grams of sugar are you eating per day? And they're, well, I don't know. Well, calculate it. Get out a scale, count out how many grams of sugar you're eating. But they'll tell me, isn't fruit good for you? Yeah, it is. It's better than a Snickers bar, but the overall amount of grams you're consuming matters. So lo and behold, I had a patient this week. He would drink green tea in the morning and he would put 7 scoops of honey in there. And I was like, okay, that's 170 grams of sugar. And he thought honey was healthy because he heard a good meaning person, influencer, say honey is healthy for you. 170 grams of fructose in the form of honey. He would do a shake and then maybe eat a little bit of salmon at night.